look it. They actually gave me the King Pack part. From what I understood is this actually gets shipped separately and you have to order it separately. Well, obviously it gets shipped together, but if you order it together, they'll ship it together. But this is something you have to order. This was really a surprise. I was not expecting this. It would be comfortable for my daughter or my wife to sit on the back and relax while I take them on a crazy journey. Let's see what else is in here. So let's look at the tour pack. Very well packaged, a lot of protection. I feel like it's Christmas. Oh, it has a nice little like cover. Oh, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Wow, that is really nice actually. I gotta put this on here so I don't scratch the bottom. There it is. Oh wow, I didn't expect this, really. I did not expect this. It even has the back rack, which is nice, so we can mount this here somehow, or maybe like this, so you can actually have another bag on the top. Again, this is something was not expected. I thought I was just getting the tour pack. Thanks TCMT, this is awesome. So let's see, bolts. It doesn't really tell you. Oh, I guess there's these little circles to give you an idea of where to screw in for the rack. You get 2 keys. Look at that. And pre-drilled holes at the bottom. The other one did not have pre-drilled holes. That is great, see? The one on the motorcycle now, we had to drill the holes in. I think the wonderful assistant Michael is going to be happy that the holes are already drilled. Did you see that, Michael? Look, I heard it. All right, so with the King Tour Pack, I'm really hoping that I can put my helmet there for security reasons instead of leaving it on the mirror and leave it out there. Will it fit in this? Because I have a big head. This is a 4XL helmet. Boom! That's awesome. Let me see, can I get 2 of my fat head helmets? So it will fit, but the GoPro mount is kind of making it awkward. Done. Awesome that the King Pack in Horde 2 4XL